In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a username to your Facebook account. Now, most people they are not aware that you can add a username to anytime you want to log into your Facebook account to open your Facebook. Your email and your phone number that you normally use to open your Facebook or log into your Facebook is not your username. Now, every other social media they have a username, but most people they are not aware that Facebook also have a username. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step by step on how to create a username for your Facebook account, so that even though you lost your email or your phone number, you'll be able to log into your Facebook account. So join me in this tutorial. Now, if you are seeing my video for the first time, make sure that you follow me on this page. That anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. Also help me to share this video for others to see this video. So open your Facebook profile, then click on the three dots by your right hand side. So it will bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is you scroll down, then click on setting and privacy, then click on setting again, then click on password and security. Then the next thing, you click on your profile picture. So click on your profile picture, then click on your Facebook profile picture again. So you click on the username to check if you have a username. Okay, so you can see that on this my Facebook have username. So let's go and check another profile. So let's check in this other Facebook profile if this other one have username. So I'll click on the three dots, then I'll click on setting again, then I'll click on password and security, then click on your profile picture, then click on your profile picture again. So you click on your username. So you can see that in this profile does not have a username. So to add your username, you simply click on this place, then you type in any name that you want to use for your username. Now if you type the name, if the name is available or if they accept it, they will mark it good. So you can see that this name is available, this username is available. So the next thing to do is you click on done. So you have created your username. So this is how to create a username for your Facebook page, and this one will help you to so that if you lost your email or your phone number, you can still log in with your username and your password. So this is how to create a username. So if you got value from this video, make sure that you like and share this video for others to see this video. And if you have not followed me, make sure you follow this page, so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.